Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you two Photoshop essentials. First, how to use a clipping mask Photoshop technique to create amazing designs, and how to do a quick and realistic face swap Photoshop effect. Let's get started. Click the image layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Now, the photo only appears inside the text. You can move or resize the clipped image without affecting the text, and this trick works with shapes, brushes, and even complex designs. The two images you want to use. First, select the face you want to transfer using the lasso tool. Copy and paste it onto the second image. Next, lower the opacity of the face layer so you can line it up with the background face. Use Edit, then Transform, and then Warp to adjust the size and angle until it matches. Once aligned, bring the opacity back to 100%. Then, add a layer mask to the face layer. Grab a soft brush and carefully blend the edges into the base photo. Finally, use Image, then Adjustments, and then Match Color. And that's it. You've just learned how to create eye-catching designs with a clipping mask Photoshop technique and how to pull off a realistic face swap Photoshop effect. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more quick Photoshop tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you'd like me to cover next. See you next time.